Bonjour! Every year, on July 14th, France celebrates its National Day, known also as Bastille Day. While this year's celebrations were cancelled, we can still celebrate wonderful spirits made in France. We will make a variation of their well-known cocktail, the French 75, in France known as 𝐁𝐎𝐎𝐒. Sorry to the people of France if that was bad. Let's start, it's cocktail time. A French 75 cocktail is named after powerful World War I 75mm cannon. The cocktail went through many recipe changes, the current standard being gin, lemon juice, simple syrup and champagne. That's why it's sometimes called a Tom Collins in a tuxedo. But to truly make it French, we use the recipe from 1948 cocktail book, The Fine Art of Mixing Drinks. That's when David A. Embury swapped gin for cognac. The family-run house of Delamain is one of the oldest cognac producers, founded in 1762. To reduce bottle strength down to 40 ABV, Delamain uses old, low-strength cognacs rather than water, so they don't weaken the flavor. This cognac is to be used only for special occasions. And as always, we'll give it a try first. Delamain cognacs are matured in ancient cellars in well-seasoned French oak cask, providing the ideal temperature and humidity. This gives them a wonderful golden color. I'm really looking forward to this. The prolonged aging process gives it a pleasant nutty smell with the dry fruits and a hint of leather at the end. It's incredibly smooth, with a long aftertaste of wood and nuts. I recommend enjoying this neat and maybe with a fine cigar. This is a cognac France can be proud of. And while we're on the subject of things that France can be proud of, we use this champagne to finish our French 75. Laurent-Perrier La Cuvée champagne is made from 3 different grapes varieties, with over 50% of being Chardonnay, giving this champagne its freshness and elegance. Laurent-Perrier is one of the champagne leading houses, founded in 1812. Today, they are also known for their Cuvée Rosé, which has become the most recognized rosé champagne worldwide, and it's the benchmark of its category. Enough talking, let's make the cocktail. This will be a shake and drink, topped up with champagne. So let's add all ingredients into the shaker. We'll add the cognac last, so let's start with 15 ml or half an ounce of lemon juice. This will be balanced with 1 Barspoon of gomme syrup. This is made like rich simple syrup, with 2 parts sugar to 1 part water, but with the addition of gomme Arabic. This will add a silky texture to our cocktail. To that, we'll add 45 ml or 1.5 ounces of Delamain cognac. This cognac is made with a blend of cognacs, all coming from the Grand Champagne region and having an average age of around 35 years. Now we drain the ice. And shake. While we do that, we ask the mademoiselle to swap our champagne flute. Merci. We'll double strain this to keep out our small bits of ice or lemon pulp. Our champagne flute resembles the shape of a cannon, so it's perfect for this cocktail. When you're opening the champagne bottle, make sure to keep your hand on the top of the cork. As you take off the wire thingy, as the pressure inside the bottle might cause the cork to fly off. Then, gently open the cork and top up the cocktail. For garnish, we'll use a thin strip of lemon peel. This will bring that extra freshness. Viva la France! Let's try a truly French 75. Cognac brings so much richness, while the lemon and champagne make sure the cocktail is not lacking in freshness. The silky mouthfeel and a dark golden color set it apart from a gin-based French 75. I love how this turned out. It's such a balanced cocktail, perfect for summer nights, and perfect for La Fête Nationale. Next time, our cocktail exploration will take us to Cuba, and you know, it's always cocktail time there. Until then, santé! This cognac is made with a blend of cognacs, all coming from the Grand Champagne region and having an average speed 35 miles per hour. While we do that, we ask the mademoiselle to swap our champagne flute. Merci. So, we'll ask the mademoiselle. While we do that, we ask the mademoiselle to swap our champagne flute. Swap our champagne flute. While we do that, we'll ask our mademoiselle to swap our champagne. Ask the. For garnish, we'll use a thin garnish. We'll use a thin strip. For garnish, we'll use a thin strip. I'm just starting my YouTube channel, so I'd love your support. You know what to do.